welcome to Only the Shreya. Well, there is a world where I don't think at all before spending my money. I just say it, I like it, I want it, and I got it. But that's just a dream. In real life, I see it, I really want it. I see the price tag, and then I drop it. The problem is the cost of living is going higher and higher. That's why in this video, I'm going to tell you about few apps where I save money on traveling, grocery, food, and clothing. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's talk about travel. We all love to travel, but we will be able to love it a little more if we save some money on it. Well, most of the people in UK do not know that if you get a Railcard, it enables you to get 30% off on all the train tickets. For the longest time, I have been spending £30 to get a Railcard for a year. And I'm sure you must be too. But then I got to know about this app called Train. If you are a new customer, you get so many discounts on this app if you use this app to book your ticket. Since you're watching this video to save money, here is how you can save 20% on your Railcard and 5% on all your tickets.
To apply this voucher, simply just sign up to TrainPal and go to voucher section. Type the promo code Shreya and you will be able to get 20% off on Railcard and 5% on any train ticket. I'm gonna use this voucher to get the Railcard for myself because I feel that's a steal. The standard price for Railcard is usually £30, so when you apply this voucher, you can see that it's at least £6 less than what you usually pay.
I hope this was helpful for you, but I will also advise just to go through their app and navigate it a little more because they also have a split ticket system where the journey might be a little longer, but then you can get 90% off on your tickets. So definitely check this out. Now let's talk about groceries. If you are in UK, you know that Lidl and Aldi, these two supermarkets are less expensive than Sainsbury's, Tesco and Asda. But that just might be a perception. Some time back, I made a video comparing the prices for all these supermarkets. I shopped there for 3 weeks, 1 week each supermarket, and then I was shocked to know that the prices are not very different. Then some friends were at home, we were chilling out, and then they told me how they use this app to compare the prices and that's how they shop to save some money. I was like, which app they are talking about? And then they told me that this was a Trolly app where you can see the prices for each grocery item and can compare what is the prices in each supermarket, whether it is easier to buy it in a supermarket or easier to buy it online. I was so shocked to know that, okay, this tool was available, but it was very easy, but I didn't know about it. So I thought, why not to tell you in this video to compare the prices using the Trolly app. Now let's talk about clothing. I love to shop for clothes and that's my true love. But it also makes me cry how much I spend on it. The issue is that I have still few clothes in my cupboard which I haven't used because the UK weather can't make up its mind. So the issue is I want to keep up with trends, but then it's expensive. As usual, I was scrolling through my phone and one ad caught my attention. It was for Vinted app. I was like, let me check out what is it about. Then I realized on Vinted you can actually sell your clothes and buy clothes for just few pounds, and the process is very smooth as well. And also surprisingly, as soon as I downloaded it, I started seeing in my colleagues and all the other people I know, they already knew about this app, but I was like, I didn't know about it. I think it's a great app for you to keep up with the trends, but also just pay half price for it. And now, if you are a foodie on budget, thank me later because I'm gonna tell you about this app. It's called Good to Go. This app lets you purchase a surprise bag from the shops around your area. For example, Edinburgh, it's a touristy city and there are a lot of amazing bakeries and restaurants in here. This is a great way to try different foods from different restaurants, but just pay a few pounds. Sometimes you can get very expensive items, but you have just paid for the surprise bag. You just need to select which restaurant or which bakery you would like to buy the surprise bag from. They'll give you a timeline. You go on that time to collect your bag, and then once you have the bag, you can open it and enjoy it. Well, I hope this video is helpful for you to get the best out of daily activities you do. I'm not some financial guru, that's why these apps doesn't involve any money to get the money and this and that. I hope this was clear and simple for you. If you like this video, then do let me know in the comments. And for more such updates, keep watching Only the Shreya.